Looking to upgrade your woodworking setup? A router table lift is the perfect tool to enhance precision and efficiency in your routing projects. With smooth height adjustments and stability, it allows for accurate bit positioning, making your work easier and more professional. Let's explore the best options available. Number 1. Kreg Precision Router Lift. This router tool combo kit is a well-rounded solution for woodworking professionals and hobbyists who require precision and power. The Skil router table, SRT 1039, is designed for accuracy, featuring above-the-table adjustments, an integrated bit storage compartment, and an aluminum miter gauge slot. The inclusion of a router clamp, starter pin, and 2 featherboards ensures that each routing task is executed with precision and ease. Equipped with soft start technology, speed control, and a live tool indicator, this router ensures safety and efficiency in every use. One of its standout features is the tall 16-inch aluminum fence, which spans 24 inches wide, making it ideal for handling tall stock effortlessly. Adjustable MDF faceplates, 2 featherboards, and a starter pin and guard add to its versatility, making intricate routing jobs easier. The essential accessories, such as the starter pin and guard, support curved workpieces, enhancing precision when dealing with complex designs. Additionally, the integrated dust port collection system fits standard 2.5-inch vacuum hoses, keeping the workspace clean and debris-free. The dual outlets on the router table include a 6-foot power cord and a lock switch, adding an extra layer of safety. Whether working on heavy routing projects using the table or completing finishing touches with the fixed base router, this kit provides the perfect combination of stability, convenience, and performance. Number 2. Bosch Benchtop Router Table. The Bosch Benchtop Router Table is a high-quality woodworking tool designed for precision, durability, and ease of use. Featuring a large aluminum top, this table offers an extended work area that enhances both accuracy and stability, making it a great choice for detailed woodworking projects. Its rigid aluminum mounting plate is pre-drilled for compatibility with a wide range of routers, ensuring above-table height adjustments for better control. This makes it highly versatile for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Additionally, the dedicated dust collection port fits standard 2.5-inch vacuum hoses, keeping the workspace clean and free from debris. This feature is especially beneficial for those who work on large-scale projects and need a tidy environment. Another practical inclusion is the accessory slot, which accommodates featherboards and 3/4-inch optional accessories like a miter gauge. This enhances versatility, allowing users to customize the table to their specific needs. The storage pocket is another thoughtful addition, providing a convenient space to store router accessories, ensuring that essential tools are always within reach. Furthermore, the cord wrap storage feature keeps the 6-foot power cord neatly organized, preventing clutter. Whether used for precision routing, shaping edges, or detailed trimming, the Bosch Benchtop Router Table is an excellent investment for anyone looking to elevate their woodworking projects. Number 3. Rockler Trim Router Table. The Rockler Trim Router Table is a compact yet highly functional router table designed for small-scale woodworking applications. Unlike traditional full-size router tables, this model is perfect for those who require a portable and space-efficient solution without sacrificing precision. It can be easily attached to the edge of a bench, table, or plywood surface, making it highly versatile for use in different settings, whether in a workshop or on site. Ideal for routing roundovers, chamfers, and small dados, this trim router table offers better control over handheld routers, resulting in more accurate cuts. Additionally, the base can be drilled to accommodate other router models, making it a flexible option for various woodworking setups. Ease of use is another highlight of this table. It sets up quickly and allows for effortless detachment of the router without requiring tools. The included 1/4-inch thick acrylic base enables freehand work, providing added versatility for intricate designs. The high-visibility bit guard ensures safety during operation, while the adjustable fence with T-knobs makes it easy to make quick adjustments. For woodworkers looking for a portable and reliable router table that enhances precision and control, the Rockler Trim Router Table is a fantastic choice. It combines durability, convenience, and functionality, making it a must-have tool for both DIY projects and professional use. Number 4. Skil Router Table. The Skil Router Table is a compact and lightweight option designed for precision woodworking and crafting applications. Unlike traditional router tables, this model is specifically tailored for light-duty tasks, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. It converts a standard Dremel rotary tool into a bench-mounted precision wood shaper, allowing users to perform slotting, edging, grooving, and sanding with ease. This router table is designed to be easily mounted onto any table-type workspace, providing a stable and secure platform for working on small and intricate projects. Compatibility is another key advantage of the Dremel router table, as it supports Dremel tool models 100, 200, 3000, 4000, 8220, 8240, 8250, and 8260. Additionally, various accessories such as the Dremel 22501 Flex Shaft, 22001 Workstation, and 33501 Plunge Router enhance the versatility of this router table, expanding its capabilities beyond basic routing. Overall, the Dremel router table is a fantastic tool for those looking to refine their woodworking skills and complete detailed projects with precision. Its compact size, easy setup, and compatibility with multiple accessories make it a practical addition to any workshop. Number 5. Dremel Router Table. The Dremel Router Table is a compact, bench-mounted precision woodworking tool designed for light-duty applications. This innovative table transforms a standard Dremel rotary tool into a small yet highly functional wood shaper, making it ideal for hobbyists, DIYers, and professionals who work on intricate projects. Whether slotting, edging, grooving, or sanding, this router table provides a stable platform for handling both conventional and irregular shapes with precision. One of its standout features is its easy-to-mount design, which allows users to attach it securely to any table-type workspace. This ensures stability during operation while also making storage simple when not in use. The depth adjustment screw allows users to set the router to their desired depth with accuracy, enhancing its functionality. Furthermore, the Dremel router table is compatible with a variety of Dremel rotary tool models, including 100, 200, 3000, 4000, 8220, 8240, 8250, and 8260, ensuring broad usability. Additionally, several accessories expand its capabilities. The Dremel 22501 Flex Shaft attachment provides a flexible 36-inch shaft for added versatility, while the 22001 Workstation transforms the router into a drill press for metalworking and crafts. The 33501 Plunge Router attachment enables precise decorative edges, straight slots, and freehand routing. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.